Welcome back, everyone. I'm Jason and you're watching Jason Jensen Trains. There are 3 questions that I get asked all the time, and I'm going to answer those for you in today's episode. So question number 1 is, where do you get your figures? I get mine from a company called Prizer and another company called Woodland Scenics. Now, there's other companies that make figures. Some are a lesser quality and some are a higher quality. The higher quality may be some 3D printed figures. But the figures I use on my layout and dioramas are from Prizer and Woodland Scenics. Question number 2, where do you get your vehicles? The vehicles I use on my layout and my dioramas are from Classic Metalworks. And what I love about them is that they're ready to go out of the package. You don't have to do any assembly. And if you want to, you can spray a dull coat on them and do a little bit of weathering, or you could simply repaint them if you want to, but they're ready to go out of the package. Beautiful vehicles. Now, I do use other vehicles on my layout. I have a bunch of vehicles from a company called Jordan. Jordan is no longer in business, but you can find some Jordan vehicles on eBay. And there's other vehicles, like with the figures. Some are lower quality, some are higher quality. But the ones I use are from Classic Metalworks. The third question I get asked a lot is, where do you get your clapboard siding and the wood decking for your piers? I get my wood from northeasternscalelumber.com. The clapboard siding that I use is a 1/16 of an inch wide, and the wood decking, each board on the deck, is an 1/8 of an inch wide. Again, it's from Northeastern Scale Lumber. Now, there's other companies that provide wood. I don't know what made me start buying wood from that company, but I did, and I'm just sort of a creature of habit, so I just continue to order from them. If you have more suggestions on today's 3 questions, please leave them in the comment section below. The comment you leave may help someone else tremendously. And this channel is dedicated to helping all modelers. All right, well, in the next video, we're going to get back to working on the layout. And until then, stay motivated and happy modeling, everyone.